Hey everybody, it's me, your boy RJ. Today we're replacing the fuel tank hose assembly on a Ferris mower. The fw35s and the 45s. They have the flambeau tanks and they go bad. They rot out. So here's you go. It just goes like this, really simple. I do how to remove the other one, but if you're doing it, it's because your other one toasted. There's the part number. I'm going to put a link.
You didn't show the part number.
Doesn't matter. I'm going to put the link below. Go buy it on there.
Wow.
Go buy it on there. Help me, help you, help me get it. This is an aftermarket version. It's a little better than the original. Like, see, this is a rubbery fuel line. The one that comes with it is that thick PCV, hard plastic that's supposed to be fuel, but it isn't. So what happens is it cracks off inside there. And then this breaks trying to do it. And this comes all in one. Most of them do not. So where this goes, right in there like this. And you know what? You're probably gonna want a little soap or something. I'm gonna get a little soapy water. Just wetting it. Okay. I'm just gonna use this. I could not find the one I have a liquid rinse that says belt dressing, which is a little safer on rubber, but this will be all right because you're getting fuel on it anyway all the time, which eats it. So put a little liquid wrench there.
Move your hand.
And just pop it in place. It's gonna be a little difficult because it's kind of set up. If you can push this down without breaking it, it's kind of set up to do the fuel line separate because this is a like flange system. Let's see if I can get it in regular. We're probably gonna have to push it off. Yeah, see, that's what I'm gonna do. Gently. There we go. Alright, so push it off like this, see what I'm doing? And this will give the rubber a little give. I know as my hands are in the way. That's what I have to do. Okay, try to push this off some. Spin it. Pull it down off of the nipple that's on here. See that? So what that's doing is that flexes it out. So try to push it through now this way. And it'll be much easier, as you can see. Okay, see? Don't take it all the way off, but then do that. And boom. There you go. Okay? Here's the old one right here, but I'm not using it, so we're going to get a needle nose pliers. Move that down. Gentle so you don't break your hose that's been on there forever. Everybody, so it's gonna fight you because that's how it's set up. The flange, you're just gonna wrestle it off. Going back on shouldn't be as bad because that rubber's already broke free from just doing that. All right. I can't remember what we paid for this. Do you?
I don't.
It was cheap though compared to buying it at the, like, what they want at the dealer, 60.
Yeah.
Some ridiculous for a rubber.
Or like, I think like even more. I think like.
Some crazy number, blow your mind high for it that you're like, no. So there's the link. It worked. I'll let you know how it goes. I also got to change these ignition coils. I was going to do a video on that, but I don't know. I like just get them on there now. It takes too much time. But, I may do a video after for no spark ignition coil, show you it, and then show you running because right now I got no spark. Whenever you take your thing, here you go. Air filter off, and you got it. You'll leave it and you're making a mess. Put some cheesecloth bags over because it seals all that dirty stuff out. So there we go. I'll put a link below. Please buy it from there. It will give me like a nickel or something, 30 cents maybe. You know, help me keep making videos. Help you. Help me. Every little bit helps during this time. So please like, subscribe. As always, I'm RJ. Seize the day each and every day. Bye bye.